Learn English fast in 30 minutes a day. No boring lessons. Change your mind, change your English. You do not need talent to learn English. You do not need a special brain. You do not need to live in another country. You need one thing only, a small daily habit. 30 minutes a day, every day. This article is written for total beginners. If you feel English is hard, this is for you. If you feel shy, scared, or tired of learning, this is for you. English is not the problem. The way you learned English before was the problem. Many people study English for years. They still cannot speak. They still cannot understand real conversations. Why does this happen? Because they learned English the wrong way. They memorized grammar rules. They translated every sentence in their head. They waited to be perfect before speaking. That method kills confidence. That method kills motivation. You are not lazy. You are not stupid. You were trained to fail. Today, that ends. In this article, you will learn a new way, a simple way, a human way. You will learn how to use 30 minutes a day. Not 3 hours, not one full weekend, just 30 minutes. And if you do it right, your English will change, slowly at first, then faster than you expect. Why short daily practice works better. Your brain loves small steps. Your brain hates pressure. When you say, "I will study English for 3 hours," your brain feels tired before you start. When you say, "Just 30 minutes," your brain says, "Okay, I can do that." This is how habits are built. Fluency is not a talent. Fluency is a habit. Think about how children learn. They do not study grammar books. They listen every day. They repeat every day. Little by little, without stress. That is how language is learned. Adults can learn the same way if they stop fighting the process. You do not need motivation every day. You need a system. 30 minutes is small enough to start, big enough to create change. Stop trying to be perfect. Many beginners are afraid to make mistakes, afraid to sound stupid. This fear is normal. But perfection is the enemy of progress. You do not learn English by being correct. You learn English by being brave. Mistakes are not failures. Mistakes are training. Every mistake means your brain is learning. Native speakers make mistakes too. They just don't stop speaking. You must give yourself permission to be bad at first. Bad English is better than no English. Speak before you are ready. Listen before you understand everything. This is how fluency is born. The 30-minute rule. We will divide your 30 minutes into simple parts. Each part has one job. No confusion, no overload. You do the same structure every day. Only the content changes. This creates safety for your brain. This creates speed for your learning. Here is the rule. You show up, you follow the steps, you stop after 30 minutes. You do not overthink. You do not judge yourself. Consistency is more important than intensity. Step 1. Listening comes first. The first 10 minutes are for listening. Not reading, not translating, just listening. You listen to simple English, very simple. Stories, short conversations, slow speech. Do not worry if you do not understand everything. You are not supposed to. Your job is not to understand. Your job is to hear the sounds. Your brain learns patterns naturally, like music. At first, English sounds like noise. Then it becomes rhythm. Then it becomes meaning. Trust this process. Listening builds your inner voice. Without listening, speaking is impossible. You cannot speak what you have never heard. Step 2. Repeat without fear. The next 10 minutes are for repeating. This is the most powerful part. You listen to one sentence, you pause, you repeat, out loud, even if you are alone, even if you feel silly. Your mouth must learn English, not only your eyes. At first, your pronunciation will feel strange. That is good. It means your mouth is learning new movements. Do not aim to sound perfect. Aim to sound clear. Clarity before perfection. You are training muscle memory, like going to the gym. Your mouth becomes faster. Your confidence becomes stronger. Step 3. Use simple words. The last 10 minutes are for using English, very simple English. You speak alone, or you write short sentences. Talk about your day. Talk about your plans. Talk about what you hear. Use easy words. I wake up at 6. I drink coffee. I feel tired today. Simple is powerful. Complex English comes later. Fluency starts with simple sentences. This step connects listening and speaking. This step turns input into output. This is where real learning happens. Why this method feels different? This method is calm, not stressful. You are not chasing perfection. You are building familiarity. You meet English every day, like a friend. No pressure, no exams. Over time, something changes. You stop translating. You start understanding directly. You stop thinking about grammar. You start feeling sentences. This is fluency. Not fast speaking, not big vocabulary. Fluency is ease, and ease comes from daily contact. A message for beginners who want to quit. There will be days you feel stuck. There will be days you feel slow. This is normal. Progress in language is invisible at first, like growing roots underground. One day, you will understand a sentence without effort. One day, words will come out naturally. That day is built by small, boring days. Do not quit. 30 minutes is enough if you show up every day. Part 2. Build momentum, stay motivated, think in English. Learning English is not about intelligence. It is about momentum. When momentum is strong, learning feels easy. When momentum is weak, everything feels hard. Most beginners fail because they stop too often. They take long breaks, they start again, they stop again. Each stop makes English feel harder. Your goal is not speed. Your goal is continuity. 30 minutes a day protects your momentum. Motivation is unreliable. Motivation comes and goes. Some days you feel excited. Some days you feel tired. If you wait for motivation, you will not be consistent. Professional learners do not wait for motivation. They follow a routine. Routine removes decision fatigue. Routine removes excuses. You do not ask, "Do I feel like studying today?" You say, "This is my time," even on bad days, especially on bad days. Create a fixed time and place. Your brain loves signals. Same time, same place. This tells your brain, now it is English time. Morning works well for many people. Your mind is fresh. Night can also work if you are calm. Choose one time, protect it. This is your appointment with your future self. Make English part of your identity. Do not say, "I am learning English." Say, "I am an English learner." Identity is powerful. When English is part of who you are, you do not quit easily. You miss a day, you come back the next day. No guilt, no drama, just return. Stop memorizing, start recycling. Many beginners try to memorize many words. They forget most of them. This is normal. The brain remembers what it sees again and again. Instead of learning new words every day, recycle old words. Use the same words in many sentences. I like coffee. I drink coffee in the morning. Coffee helps me wake up. Repetition creates depth. Depth creates fluency. Learn phrases, not single words. Language is not made of single words. Language is made of chunks. For example, not just look, but look at this. Not just ready, but I am ready. Phrases are easier to remember. Phrases are easier to use. Your brain stores them as one unit. This reduces thinking time. This makes speaking faster. How to think in English. Thinking in English does not mean translating faster. It means stopping translation. This takes time. You start with simple thoughts. Instead of, I am thinking in my language and translating, you think directly. Hungry, tired, happy. Then short sentences. I am hungry. I am tired. I am happy today. This is how thinking in English begins. Do not force complex thoughts. Simple thoughts are enough. Use your environment. Label your world in English. Chair, door, phone, window. Say the words when you see them. Your house becomes a classroom. This creates natural repetition. Natural repetition is powerful. Speak to yourself without shame. Talking to yourself in English is not strange. It is training. Athletes talk to themselves. Musicians practice alone. Language learners must speak alone too. Describe what you are doing. I am cooking. I am washing dishes. I am going to work. This builds fluency without pressure. No one is judging you. Forget grammar for now. Grammar will come later. Right now, grammar blocks fluency. You do not need perfect grammar to communicate. You need words. You need confidence. Children speak before they know grammar. You can, too. When your brain has enough input, grammar becomes natural. You feel what sounds right. That feeling is more powerful than rules. When you feel stuck. Feeling stuck means you are learning. Growth feels uncomfortable. If English feels too easy, you are not growing. If it feels slightly hard, you are in the right place. Do not change methods too quickly. Give your brain time. Trust the process. Small wins matter. Celebrate small progress. Understanding one sentence. Pronouncing one word better. Speaking without stopping. These moments matter. They build confidence. Confidence creates speed. Part 3. Stay consistent, break plateaus, reach real fluency. You are closer than you think. Most people quit too early. They stop right before the breakthrough. Fluency does not arrive suddenly. It appears quietly. One day you understand without effort. One day you speak without fear. That moment is built by patience. The plateau is not failure. Every learner hits a plateau. Progress feels slow. Improvement feels invisible. This does not mean you are stuck. It means your brain is reorganizing. Language learning is not linear. Sometimes growth is hidden. Do not panic. Do not change everything. Stay the course. How to break through plateaus. When progress feels flat, make small changes, not big changes. Change the content, not the routine. Listen to new voices, new topics. Same structure, fresh input. This wakes up the brain. Increase difficulty slowly. Fluency grows step by step. If content is too easy, you get bored. If content is too hard, you get frustrated. Choose content you understand about 70%. You miss some words, but you follow the meaning. This is the learning zone. The power of shadowing. Shadowing is simple. You listen, you repeat at the same time. You copy rhythm. You copy stress. Not word by word, sound by sound. This trains natural speech. 10 minutes of shadowing a day can change your speaking speed. Stop measuring yourself against others. Everyone learns at a different pace. Comparing kills joy. Your only comparison is yesterday. If today is better than yesterday, you are winning. Use English for real life. English is not a subject, it is a tool. Use it. Watch videos you enjoy. Listen to stories you like. Interest increases memory. Boring content slows learning. Accept imperfection forever. Even fluent speakers make mistakes. Fluency is not perfection. Fluency is flow. Speak even when unsure. Clarity matters more than accuracy. People understand effort. When you miss a day, missing one day is not failure. Missing 2 weeks is. If you miss a day, return the next day. No guilt. Consistency is about returning. Build a long-term mindset. English is a long game, not a race. Think in months, not days. 30 minutes a day for 1 year is powerful. Your future English self. Imagine yourself 6 months from now. You understand more. You speak more. Confidence grows. That version of you is built today. Final message. You do not need motivation. You need belief. Belief that small daily actions matter. They do. 30 minutes a day. Every day. This is enough. You are capable. You are learning. Keep going.
If this video inspired you or helped you learn something new, please take a moment to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the Motivation to Study English for 30 minutes every day. Your support is the energy that keeps us creating better and more meaningful videos every single day.